Trying to not step in water.
Is this too similar to like our own store?
Look it, we're home. Yay!
Projectiles taking off right there. The size projectile is shooting for up to 30 some odd miles.
Kid knows what's up. You're gonna attempt to. Oh, okay. So it's officer quarters. Ah, thanks, Ella. I'm gross now. She just sneezed all over me. See, this is the stuff I like. I love coming into this kind of thing.
Honey, do you want to hold in there? We technically came out the exit.
It said to enter.
Yeah, this says exit though.
It's probably the exit of the space.
No, I just heard this. I think it's...
It didn't say anything. Oh, it just goes, don't it?
Executive officer. Axel.
I know you're hot, kiddo. But you get your own private bathroom. Wow.
You can do a virtual.
A virtual tour instead of walking around. Oh. You can also look in the galley.
Yeah. Pick one.
Click on the sub menu. Oh, that's really cool.
That's cool.
Why don't we go peek over here?
Nobody gave me any food.
And the washroom. Oh. I know, baby. I know. You're hot. It's hot in Hawaii.
Oh, I saw this already. It's weird. I looked down here, but the door was shut, so I thought it was just closed.
I thought there was glass there.
Me too. So I missed it.
Oh, okay. I thought there was fake legs and
I
pants.
thought so too.
Oh yeah, double. Now let's get you some more water. People here at the Missouri have been very awesome about making sure Ella has some water.
Over this way.
I was not expecting a senior dental officer. That's a dark room.
Cool. Do not enter this area. Rebreathers. Lights. Whose is this one? Supply officer. And then out and around. And out.
Chief engineer.
Chief engineer. So much wasted space though. That's what's bugging me. This must have been the last person. I hope they were contacted. At least the family's been like, do you want anything?
They look like they were brown chairs, but that's because I had glasses on.
Oh well.
Close a little uneven. Be careful.
The C9 that's landing over there.
So this deck right here is our kamikaze deck. This deck is where a kamikaze pilot struck the ship. This took place April 11th, 1945, just off the shores of Okinawa, Japan. The pilot hit the side of the ship. Most of the plane, along with the bomb he was carrying, fell into the ocean. Top of the plane sheared off and littered the deck here, and when they were cleaning up the debris from the deck, they found the body of the pilot. He was later identified as the young man you see in the photos here, 19-year-old Petty Officer 2nd Class Setsuo Ishino. Captain Callahan was a man of great integrity, though. He told the crew to prepare the body for a proper military burial at sea. He wanted them to know that once an enemy's dead, they're no longer the enemy. So they sewed together a makeshift Rising Sun flag that night. Following day, he was given the ceremony you see in the photos here. Footprints on the deck will show you where the detail stood for that burial at sea. He was given a rifle salute. You folks are finished here, head over to Joe. He can show you a famous photograph and then point out the damage left behind by that kamikaze attack, all right?
There's where they stood. That's where the top went over the side.
Laid him to rest, yeah. Wanted them to know that once men were dead, no longer lived. So they sewed together a makeshift crisis line that night.
It validates the fact that he pinwheeled into the side of the ship because this rub rail down here that he impacted on is very thick, very strong. I think they're expecting to see the tail of an airplane. Sorry.
Wow. Yeah, more or less. Ooh, I thought you fell.
You're over there.
Yeah, this is what I was hoping to see. Personally, love the Taylor ice cream machine. Well, let's go back and forth, you know, because the route looks almost the same.
Battleships into retirement. Fate had bigger plans for the Mighty Mo.
I like that it's nicknamed the Mighty Mo.
In the early months of 1945, the Missouri was now under sea trials and across the Pacific, the Japanese.
Petty Officer's Lounge.
Yeah.
Hey, our TV.
Yeah.
That's what we get from. We saw one of those signs somewhere. Oh, we must be concerned with the mess decks. When we started walking to the mess hall, I think there was a sign there.
Boo. Ah, good to know. Pepsi.
As I said, no joke.
That's where they prep the officer. Sorry.
Whoa. Hey, Dad, want to make some soup? You see these kennels back here?
Now they put all the wheels. Nice.
All can't see about the dresser.
Had a pen. Well, that could be starving during lunch.
Not a very intimidating weapon until you see it in the hands.
That's a lot of bread.
Everybody says, oh, it's just a rifle.
That is so much bread. Oh, it's a bread slicer.
Nice.
That's fun.
Pies, more pies.
I think we burnt the top of our bread.
More bread.
Industrial things to be made. This is so fun. Can you imagine this in full-fledged though?
Oh my god. They have different sinks with different temperatures.
That's
Well, we
fascinating.
didn't have air conditioning all the time.
That looks like a fridge
Yep.
with all the vents and everything. Yeah.
This goes
I
down.
want to go down there.
Go ahead.
No, there's a sign.
Your sign? No.
Because I'm pretty sure somewhere it's a felony.
I'm sure. Ship store officer.
Hamburgers.
There's a giant thing of salt. We're good.
Chicken tenders.
Ah, I found the salt. Good to know.
You know what I'm saying? These are not.
Yeah, glued down. My other favorite part? The props department for making this must have been a lot of fun.
That one got big.
It's your food. There's the food we want.
I
Yeah.
like it as a bakery, and then separately, there's no.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Offers no nonsense information and guidance for sensible decisions concerning his future in the Navy.
Not here. How about that?
Well, Michelle had enough of you.
This one's the Marine quarters.
One of them.
One of them.
That's not the first person who's done it.
No bare feet allowed.
Correct, shower shoes, mandatory. You will not get fungus on your feet. You will not.
We still haven't doubled anything yet.
No, I think it's another area, but I don't understand.
locked. What can you lock?
Don't know.
So something like split out? They don't.
Oh. So yeah, we definitely need to go to
I have batteries.
Target. Oh, okay. We haven't obviously finished.
More than
Oh, there used to be a film in there. I found what was out of place. Granted, even the computer, so it's when they did the retrofit. Just feels like it shouldn't be.
lawyer's office.
Another one?
It wasn't this room. It was counseling different than the one.
Moby Dickus.
No, I thought it was a lawyer, legal something. These ones don't have names. These are mistaken. These are their names there.
More showers in the toilet.
Internet cafe.
Well, maybe the first shipboard internet in the Navy originated in this compartment dubbed Monet.
Fun.
Hello.
Bite his face.
Hi.
We kept going.
And you know what's great? You had to share your bunk.
Uh-huh. Somebody on the other ship.
Yep. Ah, bless you. More bunks wherever you can store people.
Yep.
Water fountain. Television. More rooms.
Backgammon checkers and chess.
Oh.
Dental and prosthetics lab and storeroom. Leave open.
There's your waiting room.
Okay.
Which, again, mail was delivered, but a little bit longer.
Now you're an officer. You're
Oh, tall.
So you want to get
always in space.
Yep. Ta-da! What? Yeah. Hold on.
marks where the table stood that held the documents. These are photographs of the ceremony, of the documents that were signed that day. And of course, that's a photo. If you have any questions as you look around, please don't be afraid to ask, all right?
Thank you. Wow, okay. He's got his own dining.
Oh yeah, for his officers when he felt like treating them halfway decent.
Oh yeah, it's just this. Oh boy. Do me a favor. Film what this takes. It's on. Come on. Hold on. I got you. Come on, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
She won't try to go too many stairs at a time at the same time. So I do 2 stairs.
Anything else we try to find this too?
Yeah.
Whew, that sucks.
Well, she tried to take 2 stairs. Tried to hurry up.
Now this is the remnants of the original 1940.
It's working. She got faster.
Here's the other one.
Big step.
I see you too.
Yes. Chart room.
Chart house.
Yeah, have you been inside
Hello.
this one?
No, I've never.
See.
This makes me want to step foot on a modern one.
I was going to say you want to go on their ship.
That's how you can drive in a very nice sealed compartment. Ooh, careful, that goes down.
Because like, we still bought our stuff for like land navigation on paper today.
Better view of the chart room. The captain's at sea cabin. So this is, he's got 2 rooms. So when they're floating, you can be, whoops, right there.
Better be in charge of those missiles right there.
That's right.
That's your gun team.
Where you fire them from?
All right, so I realized that that wasn't very vloggy, which I think we're trying to get better at. But that was the Missouri. It cost extra to do here, but I actually thought I got my money's worth out of it. Educational and awesome to see. So we're heading back to the memorial. We're gonna get a pin and a coin, and then we're gonna go get Ella her dog food that we ordered a week ago. That's here on the island. There's only 3 places that sell it. Luckily they do have it, and they've saved us a bag, so we're gonna go and get that for her for the cruise, because we didn't want to bring a whole bag of food out here, because that would have weighed 40 pounds all its own. So that's the plan, and we're just gonna relax.